everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So we are starting off with the second unit in the question series. As you all know that we have already covered unit number 1 in the previous week. So if you haven't yet watched those videos, if you haven't yet practiced those questions, I have provided the link for the same in the description box. Check it out and solve out the questions of unit 1 as well. Now starting off with unit number 2, that is cell biology. So in this particular unit as well, we have some few important topics which we cannot skip. So we'll be dealing with one question and I'll let you know that which particular topic is important for this particular unit. Now the question for today, that is day 6, is that the lateral diffusion of the proteins and the diffusion rate of the proteins can be calculated or can be analyzed via, you have 4 options for the same. The very first option is scanning electron microscopy. Second option is FRAP. Third option is transmission electron microscopy, and the fourth option is atomic force microscopy. So you have 4 options and the question was that out of the 4 options given, which of the following can be used in order to find out the lateral movement or the lateral diffusion of the proteins in the cell membranes and also the diffusion rate. So you have 4 options and the question. Make sure that you listen to the question very nicely and then only answer it, because sometimes not listening to the question properly or not reading the question properly in the examination could lead to a wrong answer. So listen to the question properly, understand it, and then only give the answer for the same. So this was about this particular video. Write down the answers in the comment section, and also the answers for these questions would be provided to you on Telegram channel. So make sure you join the Telegram channel as well. Link for the same is in the description box. Check it out, join there and get the answers as well. So this was about this video. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Do not stop revising. Revision is very important. The examination is very close by. So make sure you revise well, you prepare well and do well in the examination. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.